Alright y'all, it's your boy BTX Tech Tips. I don't know if this is really gonna be a tips video. It's really just tech. Today, I just wanna give y'all guys an update of my setup and how I really pretty much got everything put together. Initially, we had one monitor. It's our main monitor right here. This was initially what we had. We had our main monitor, all our peripherals, and our PC. Today, I'm coming with the update. I now have a second screen to where I am doing a lot of my edits, a lot of my, just a helping hand, really. And if you are out there and you are gaming or you are doing productivity, I suggest the second screen. The second screen is gonna help you tremendously on your journey to just making things a lot easier, a lot smoother. It's literally a helping hand. When I'm over here on my main screen, I'm doing a lot of my gaming on the screen, and on the secondary screen, I got my OBS up, watching, making sure that my recording is still going. So it's a helping hand. So let's go get started with the upgrade. Right now, let's start with the keyboard. I got the Aula F75. One thing I can say is that if you don't like noises, if you don't like a whole bunch of clickety click clicks, you're not gonna like that. Initially, when I first got my PC, I wanted to do keyboard and mouse. I'm not really into that, you feel me? So, you know, I go PlayStation controller. The mouse I have is a, let me see, let me get the box for y'all, hold on. I got the Pro SUPERLIGHT, the Pro X SUPERLIGHT from Logitech. Super good mouse. It's lightweight. You can really do all the things that you want to do with it. Next, I have my Stream Deck Plus. Listen, if any of you guys came from my Twitch, you know that I am a bluffing Twitch streamer. You come with these little knobs, you come with your buttons. It's amazing, you know, just a nice little addition to your streaming setup. I will be getting back into my streaming thing. I just wanted to build up my gaming YouTube first. My microphone is the PD400X MAONO USB XLR podcast dynamic microphone. I love this microphone. It is giving me a nice crisp sound, and I believe this was about $200, maybe max $200. I will have it linked below for you guys. They are possibly affiliate links. If they are, this channel will get a small kickback. So if you do want to get anything, support the affiliate link. And as you can hear, the voice is nice and crisp on here. The webcam is I do not have the box, so I have to look that up. I'll just insert a picture here for you guys so you can see exactly what the webcam is. If you want to check it out, link in the description below. So let me just give you guys an update on what's been going on with this channel. So as of right now, the main channel has been BTxPlays. BTxPlays is my gaming channel. I've been dropping a lot of good videos on there, a lot of retro gaming videos. That's my main focus on that channel. I want to go retro gaming, anything from the 2000s. I've been playing a lot of PlayStation titles, but that's just what I grew up on for the most part. So I will be branching off into other titles, but as of right now, we're going PlayStation at the moment. All the links to every channel that I have is below. If you guys want to check that out, I'll be more than happy to welcome you guys over there for some good and clean fun. As you guys can see, I am at my island. I do have a desk that's over there, but because this beautiful entertainment system right here and this beautiful couch back there is still there, we can't put it anywhere at this moment. So we'll be working on getting our setup updated again. So we will probably do another 3-month update, whatever we do, whatever time it takes to get it right, we will get it together. This is what I want to tell you guys before I go. The RTX 4070 Ti Super, how is it holding up? It's been about 4 to 5 months since I've gotten this PC built, and it's holding up just fine. It's a beautiful card. It looks beautiful in my setup. I love how my PC looks, and ultimately I think that it is a good mid-tier card that's going to get you high quality 1080p and mid to high quality 1440p gaming. 4K gaming, it's not for that. I'm gonna be honest, it's not for that. Like anything you want to play in 4K, I would suggest getting a higher grade card, maybe a 4080. Well, not 40. Let's leave the 40 series alone because they discontinued and the prices are super high last time I checked. It might be lower now, but it was super high last time I checked. Get you an AMD card. There's some great AMD cards at MSRP. That's gonna get you into that 4K range. And if you got money to just throw down a drain, go ahead and grab your 5090. But yeah, listen, you guys, again, if there's anything you want to support BTX, if you're just here to check out what's going on, just to here for this update, I appreciate you guys. If you want to check out any of the links, anything that I have going on, check down in the description below. Leave a comment on anything that you have that I have as well. Leave a comment on anything that you like, that you think you may want to get. And leave a comment on anything that you think I could use to upgrade my setup. All right, y'all. I love y'all. Peace.